Hello guys, this is Noisy Mike 99 and this is WTFskins.com promotional video slash exposed video because this site fucking sucks. It hates its user base. I'm not even talking about mods, but that's besides the point. As you can see here, I deposited a skin there and I'm trying to somehow get 10. It's not exactly one-to-one conversion, but at least $10. Say it's roughly $10. Not really, but you get the idea. And if you look at my fucking crash history, it was total shit, but I'm not complaining. Man, that was a good website to begin with. I just randomly found it because I was bored, and apparently I'm now addicted to playing Crash, and sometime I can play Roulette by feeling spicy, and no. Oh shit, look at these crashes, dude. Oh no. This is really bad. What do I... Okay. This might be like a fucking bait, but... Oh! No, it wasn't. Like... basically zeroed this. 1.00. Man, that was close. I was really scared it was a bait. You know, when there's like big multiplier, there's like decent multiplier, there's like sketchy multiplier, and there's zero. And then after that, there's a good one. And you always... I developed some kind of strategy here. I'm going for a 1.1, which is, as you can guess, I get 10% every time. So say... 8.28 is roughly 82 cents. You gotta account for commission if you're gonna sell the skin on Steam, obviously, or some other third-party website. I already discussed that in my trade-up video for April 2K11. 2K11? Did I just say 2K11? I'm fucking retarded. I already discussed it in my trade-up video April 2K18. So there's that. And enough talking. For now, let's try to get to 10 cents and oh shit, I was scared. Oh shit, I pulled out, I was scared. I was legit scared. Let's actually take a look. Fucking hell. See this shit, you know, and my trigger finger, my trigger discipline is really bad. I often misclick and lose my shit. Oh, this time it actually worked out. So we got about almost $9 here. Again, it's not $9, but same thing. We're trying something juicy now. I just wish I get lucky. I'm stressing out. My voice shaking. My hands are shaking. I'm sweating like a pig. No, I chickened out. I can't blame myself. I chickened out because I hate losing. And that legit sucks. You don't want to live after you lose a lot of money, especially in the form of... Oh, I missed that. It was safe. What was I saying? This site blows, but they got some neat deposit system. You can use G2A, which I don't, but anyway. You can use some gift codes. Oh shit. Boom. Yeah. Tommy gun. 9.15. We're at 9.15 now. Cool. What was I saying? You can use gift codes. You can apparently gift them around. They all G2A. You can deposit skins directly. I got nothing, but never mind. You can withdraw. Obviously, I can withdraw it later if you really want to see that. But this is not sketch. I can actually withdraw the skin and show it to you, and then we can talk some mad smack after that. It's like, so they don't block me or anything, because that's the last thing you want to be. You want to be blocked. It wasn't a bait. Oh shit. Oh fuck. $110. I'm not sure if you can see, but that was $110 bait. Like fuck me, dude. Oh shit, I lost. Well, that was fun. Okay. So, let's look it up. Starting from there, I deposited a whole bunch of skins, about say it was, where was I? It was roughly six gems, $6. It actually was $5 because I bought a skin for $5, and then I went. Let's keep track. Some good multiplier here. That was just a random. Then I missed a bunch of these. 1-1. You know, I actually don't wanna end this video so early. So if you give me a moment, a good moment here, I'll come back with more stuff and we can keep playing, I guess. Because that's fun. I mean, I ate myself because I lost it. I was fairly close. I lost it. So yeah, making a cut here because I cannot pause my recording in OBS. I'm using OBS right now instead of XSplit. I cannot pause the video, so I have to make a cut. All right. See you on the other side.